Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zeke, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to find your moderators on your TikTok live. So if you've made some people your moderator on your TikTok live and you want to know where to find them, this video is for you. Alright, so let's get started with the process. The first step today guys is to open your TikTok application and then click on the plus sign at the bottom of your screen. After that, select the live option and then click on the go live button. So once you're live in 3 seconds, the next thing you have to do guys is to click on the three dots at the bottom right corner of your screen, and then you just have to scroll down and click on settings, and then you find the moderators option right there. Once you tap on it, you'll be able to find the people you made your moderator on your TikTok live. So guys, this is how you can find moderators on TikTok live. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, give this video a like and equally subscribe for more.